Today I am with Neha Goyal, all the way from Hyderabad, and for the first time, Neha showcased her wonderful, beautiful pieces. Hi Neha.
Very sweet of you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Hansika.
How was your show today?
It was amazing. It was a wonderful, wonderful experience. I'm showcasing it for the first time and without a fashion degree. And you need a lot and lot more inspiration and a push, I think, from your near ones to really come out of your comfort zone and then showcase your what's there in your mind onto the ramp.
You said you were a working professional before this, right? You
I
were not
did.
from the fashion background.
I
I
did.
want
I
to know
did.
more.
I did. Also, like, why I'm not from a fashion background, it is always there in my from my childhood that I always wanted to do a fashion degree. But then you see your parents from the previous generation, they're like, tailor ka kaam kya karoge aap? But then fashion has grown its way too much, and I'm happy on how the designers are able to showcase their talents, especially this fashion shows. And I'm really thankful that the Bangalore Fashion Week has opened up a platform where designers can showcase their talents, their designs, and collaborate, network.
That's so nice.
Thank you.
What inspires the Neha Goyal label?
The inspiration cannot just be put in a one outfit, but I would love to see more of Indo-Western, do more of Indo-Western outfits where you can carry it in any event, any occasions that you attend. It shouldn't be a one-time party wear outfit for sure. It should be a outfit where you can carry confidently, effortlessly, and elegantly without any discomfort. Yeah.
How long has it been since the Neha Goyal label started?
Pretty much 2.5 to 3 years, not to be precise, 3 years, but then there's a lot of ups and downs. Me being a working mother, I own a, I have a 1.5-year-old kid, and yes, I have a 1.5-year kid, and juggling a lot between my with my family and also with my profession, which I'm not able to give up, and I really love be doing what I'm doing.
I really don't think you should have to give up your profession. You're so good at it.
Thank you.
Such an amazing designer,
You
right?
look properly
I
like a golden mermaid come
I
out
feel
of.
like a golden mermaid. This is a beautiful dress.
You're really looking
Such a
amazing.
beautiful dress.
Yes.
Please tell me more about today's line.
It was more specifically towards the sparkle that every woman carries within them. Yeah. And that's how I could not just really stick to one outfit. I wanted to present more and more and more, and more is never enough. But it was more about the sparkle, and that was the only reason that I chose a nude color, a tissue color, golden color, where I think all our hearts are golden. Let's put it up in on our outfits also. Thank you.
And you definitely give off that energy of sparkle, right? Having to juggle between your kid and your professional life all these years. And look how far you've come here at Bangalore Fashion Week.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. I think it's not just me. I think it's all the mothers, all the mothers, and I'm glad that we did the Bangalore Fashion Week during the March Women's Day, 8th March 8th.
Happy Women's
Say
Day.
Happy Women's Day to you too. But I'm glad. Yes, things are moving. Things are moving more positively. I'll surely come back to Bangalore Fashion Week again.
I'm excited.
Yes, yes.
Speaking of that, um, what was it like preparing for Bangalore Fashion Week?
It was a hustle bustle. Just don't ask. I don't know how things clashed. Really, really clueless. The first shocking thing was like my master tailor had to take a leave, and I've been working with him from past 2.5 3 years, and it is very difficult to have somebody understand what you really want to as a final output. I had to finish all the outfits which were showcased in just 2.5 weeks. I pushed everything that I could, and yes, I'm finally here in the Bangalore Fashion Week, and there's no going back.
No going back.
There's no going back.
It's only going to get better from here for you.
Sure, I'm
Every
sure.
day.
Yes, I'm all the more confident, all the more strong, more powerful. Thank you.
Someone with her outfits helping me bring out my inner sparkle, making me feel like an angel slash mermaid. We had with us today Neha Goyal. It was such a pleasure talking to you, Neha.
Same here. I really, really love talking
so
to you,
much.
Hansika. Yes, I'm glad that Bangalore Fashion Week did make us meet, and I'll come again. I'll see you.
I'm so really, I truly am so honored to be able to meet you. It was such a beautiful energy to be around.
Thank you so much. I think the energy comes from the Fashion Week, though.
Right,
Yeah.
that is true. I
Yeah.
won't take that away from you. I'm Hansika Sesh signing off. Until next time, let's talk fashion.